Hey yo, welcome to my channels once again. So in today's video, I want to show you how I've been able to get this picture cleaned and perfect in CorelDRAW using CorelDRAW photo painting. Oh yes, and you can also do it. So which I will show you now right away. You can see how this picture is very clean. This image is very clean, and this is the downloaded image which I got from Google, and this is the retouch of it. So I have to delete this guy now, and I want to work on this guy. But before then, I will need to copy this guy, like to duplicate this guy. Then I copy and paste and take this one here. Do you see? So first thing first is to click on this guy. Once you click on the image, you now move down to edit bitmap, which is open CorelDRAW Photo Paint to edit the bitmaps. So you now click on it. Wait for it to open. I want to show you one trick that you didn't know that exists in CorelDRAW. So, but if you have not, subscribed to my channel, yes, I want you to do that so that you will not miss any of my video like this. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, so it's taking time to open. Sometimes it's always like that, but don't worry. I think, yeah, it's open here. Yeah, okay, it's open. So what will happen is that click on this guy. So what you need to do is bring this guy, scale it up a bit. So once you can scale it up, the next thing is to take click on rectangle max tools. Once you click on it, you drag it to this point. Then after that, so that you've been able to work on this picture, after that you click on this place, you see clone, then you will see healing clone. Click on healing clone, take it down here. So how would you be able to allow this thing to affect it is by holding your alternate key plus shift. You click on the area that is smooth, this area that you see that is smooth. You click on it once, then you drag this guy out because you have already clone it, like you duplicate it. Then this one is the one that you use to brush this part. Then lift your shift and alternate key, so you now start brushing it. Have you seen, guys? You have to brush it carefully. Don't do it chaka chaka so that you have a perfect image. So have you seen? Let's go. Let's brush our image very well. You can also be clicking, but there are some parts there you need to be clicking. This one can brush very well, so let's just keep on brushing it. You need to watch the plus sign so that you won't get it to a place that is not supposed to be. Without that, it will spoil your picture. It will spoil the image. You can see this place because the plus sign touches this place. That's why you see this dot here. But we'll take that off, don't worry. That is the reason why I'm doing this video, for you guys to learn. And I believe you are learning right away. So if you are not subscribed, please kindly subscribe, like this video, comment, share to people that need to watch, to other designers that need to get this done. And after this, now you will say goodbye to Photoshop if you are to use Photoshop to brush or touch your image. So I'm showing you this now. So after this, go and drop the tools and pick it again so that you'll be able to touch this other part. Hold your alternate key plus shift, click once and take this guy down here and start brushing. So you have to repeat that for each part that you want to do. As simple as that, but you need to be careful so that you will not go and brush unnecessary part. So you want to smooth the face of this guy, this lady face. It was too rough, so let's beautify it a bit using what? Our CorelDRAW Photo Paint. Okay. All right. Again, drop it so that we can take this guy off, do some part here to smooth the part so that the face will match together, and go pick it again, drag this guy, hold your alternate key plus shift, click once and leave this guy like this. You can see this one has gone already, so you move it around. Be careful, don't go and raise unnecessary part. Be careful guys, be careful while you are doing this. You have to be careful, you have to be careful, you have to be careful, you know. Okay, so go back and drop it and pick it again. Click here, the same pattern, click on it and take this guy out here, and so that you can be able to brush the other parts. Yes, be careful guys, be careful, be careful, be careful. Yeah, drop this guy, you know. So pick it again. So we want to remove this particular one here. Click on this guy, hold this alternate shifts and plus shifts, click once and take this guy here. Be careful so that the background will not touch the face of the picture, the image. Now I've touched Ctrl Z, yeah, Ctrl Z to do it again. Be careful guys. Oh yes, so yeah, then drop it again, come back and pick it up. Let's smooth this guy, this area. So what you do is that click on this guy, repeat the same method, you know, take this guy here and smooth this area a bit, very bit, don't let it obvious because of the background. So this guy, take this guy off. You do this in Corel Draw, honestly. Yeah, so you can see everywhere is smooth. Okay, let's touch the last part, which is this place. Go drop it and pick it again. Click on this guy, take it here. You can see. Yeah. So I think that's all, you know. So from here you click on finish editing. You see this pop it says save changes to bitmaps in